So, hello guys, and welcome to my Python YouTube channel, DESI ASTRO. So, in this Python tutorial, so I'm going to show you how to find for a matrix its determinant, its inverse matrix, its eigenvalue, and the corresponding eigenvector of a matrix. So, let's find out quickly. Okay, so for that we need to import some libraries. So import library. So import NumPy. So import NumPy as np. So this will take care of your array. And now suppose now I want to create a matrix. So create a matrix, or like create a square matrix. Okay, so for that just type your matrix m matrix equal to your say in, or maybe you can import one module random. So import random module. So this will for random numbers. Now so you can print matrix with random numbers. Okay, so np dot so better you can just define a number, random numbers. So x equal to np dot lin space, then 1 to 100, and it will say it will take 16 numbers. I mean matrix is your 4 plus 4 matrix. So for that maybe just write here matrix. Okay, so if you see, then it's matrix. If you print it, then it will give like 16 numbers between 1 to 100. Now you want to convert into 4 cross 4 matrix. So 4 cross 4 matrix. So for that just type command reshape and give 4:4. Now run it. Okay, so here you can see that your matrix has a 4 column and 4 rows. You can make it with your own choice, but like the product will be like equal to the number of your matrix elements. Okay, so now this is your matrix. So maybe you can print matrix. Okay, now you can print its determinant. Okay, so find its determinant. Okay, so for that give date equal to np dot linalg, and then give date of say your matrix m. Okay, now you can give your, okay, so this is the value of your determinant. Okay, it's like a very huge value. Okay, now you want to find its inverse. Find inverse of matrix. Okay, so for that, so just type m inverse equal to np dot linalg dot inv and give your matrix. then type here M inverse and run it. Okay, so here you can see that this is your inverse matrix of your M matrix. Now come to the point that you want to find your, say, eigen values and okay, so eigenvalues you want to find. Okay, for that just type eigen underscore values or say u values now and give command np dot linalg say eq and give your matrix. Now similarly you can also give your eigen vector and give your one more variable eigenvector. Now this will return, so just print e, just print your say so just print here print eigen values then give your okay, so run it. So this is your like array of 4 eigenvalues. So similarly you can also print your eigenvector, so print eigenvector then give your e and run it. Okay, so here you can see that here's your eigenvalues and here is your eigenvector. Okay, so I hope this video has helped you to get insight about the matrix, the eigenvector, the eigenvalues and its determinant, its inverse. You can also change the matrix if you want. Okay, so maybe you can take say you can take your 25 numbers and make it 5 cross 5, run it. Okay, this is like matrix 5 cross 5 matrix. You can check its determinant